7th, essential nutrients to revitalize your nervous system. The top 7 vitamins to repair nerve damage, also known as peripheral neuropathy. If you're experiencing sensations like tingling, burning, stabbing, or shooting pains, primarily in your feet or hands, it's possible that you may be dealing with nerve damage. The intricate network of nerves in your body is responsible for carrying electrical signals from your brain and spinal cord throughout your entire nervous system. Occasionally, the extremities of these nerves suffer damage, which often manifests as a sharp shooting pain, predominantly in the toes or fingertips. In cases that are more severe, you might observe symptoms such as numbness, a loss of balance, or even muscle weakness. This specific type of nerve damage is referred to as peripheral neuropathy, and it can be attributed to a variety of factors including elevated blood sugars, alcohol consumption, poor circulation, nutritional deficiencies. Fortunately, there are specific vitamins that you can introduce into your diet that have the capability to swiftly and naturally heal the nerves, enabling you to regain the normal sensation and feeling in your hands and feet, and ultimately eradicate nerve pain for good. And that's precisely what we're going to delve into in today's video. I use the term vitamins in a broad sense here to encompass antioxidants, minerals, and phytonutrients that you can utilize to naturally heal nerve damage. Just a quick reminder, this video is purely for educational purposes, so do consult your doctor if you have any medical concerns. 1. Alpha Lipoic Acid. First and foremost on my list is Alpha Lipoic Acid. You can opt for a supplement of 600 mg of alpha lipoic acid to be taken 3 times per day as a measure to heal and repair your nerves. This natural antioxidant is officially prescribed in Germany for the purpose of mitigating symptoms such as pain, tingling, and prickling sensations in the feet, legs, and hands. Alpha lipoic acid functions by improving the blood flow to your nerves, thereby nourishing them and facilitating their recovery from oxidative damage. It also enhances the conduction of electrical signals through your nerves to your brain, ensuring they operate as they naturally should. Alpha lipoic acid can also be found in high-quality organ meats and red meat, such as beef liver, cod liver, and pasture-raised beef. 2. Benfotiamine, vitamin B1. Secondly, the most crucial vitamin for the healing of nerves is vitamin B1, in a specific form known as benfotiamine. Nerve issues commonly arise when an individual consumes an excessive amount of junk foods and has high sugar levels in the blood. Elevated blood sugars lead to inflammation and oxidative damage to the blood vessels that are connected to your nerves. This, in essence, causes the nerves to malfunction and short-circuit, sending incorrect signals back to the brain, which then triggers pain, numbness, tingling, and other such symptoms. You can take 300 mg of benfotiamine twice per day to naturally heal the nerves. Being fat-soluble, benfotiamine effectively penetrates through the fatty outer layer of your nerves, the myelin sheath, to heal them from within. It's also recognized as an effective remedy for anxiety, as it soothes the nervous system, helping you to feel more stable, focused, and relaxed. Regular B1, thiamine, is also obtainable by consuming foods like sunflower seeds, beef liver, pastured eggs, and asparagus. If you find this information valuable, please consider liking, subscribing, and turning on all notifications to stay updated with new health and nutrition tips. 3. Cod liver oil, omega-3s. Moving on to number 3, we have extra virgin cod liver oil. When it comes to the healing of your nerves and brain, it's imperative that you ensure an adequate intake of foods rich in DHA, omega-3, which is a specific type of omega-3 fatty acid. DHA serves as a raw material for your body, used in the construction of new, healthy neurons and nerve cells, and it's the most prevalent fatty acid in the brain. You can obtain DHA by consuming fatty fish such as wild salmon, sardines, anchovies, and mackerel. However, the richest natural source by far is Icelandic virgin cod liver oil, recommended dosage 1 TSP per day. Omega-3 fats possess anti-inflammatory properties and will aid in healing any regions of inflammation and swelling in your body that might be impacting your nerves. 4. Nutritional yeast, B complex. Next on the list is one of my favorite health-boosting foods, nutritional yeast. I strongly recommend consuming 2 to 3 tablespoons of nutritional yeast flakes every day if you're looking to heal nerve damage and prevent further issues in the future. Nutritional yeast flakes are loaded with B vitamins, B1, B3, B5 and B6, etc., all of which are crucial for maintaining a healthy nervous system. Regular consumption of nutritional yeast helps control your blood sugars, reverse neuropathy, and boosts your energy levels by improving glucose metabolism. Other sources of B-complex vitamins include shellfish, seafood, eggs, and dairy products. 5. Turmeric, curcumin. The 5th nutrient on our list is curcumin, an active ingredient found in turmeric. Turmeric, a spice belonging to the ginger family, has been utilized for over 4,000 years to alleviate pain and inflammation in the body, and it's employed for a wide range of different health problems. You can incorporate a teaspoon of this spice into your stir-fries, curries, or consume it in a glass of milk to aid in the restoration of your nerves and alleviate all types of nerve pain. It's highly advisable to also include a small pinch of black pepper, as it significantly enhances your body's ability to absorb curcumin by up to 2,000% more effectively. Turmeric aids your liver in the production of glutathione, the master antioxidant that plays a pivotal role in healing and nourishing your nervous system. I realize that this video is packed with information, so feel free to pause, rewind, and take notes if necessary. 6. Zinc. Our 6th essential nutrient for your nerves is zinc. Zinc is an indispensable mineral required for the formation of neurons, hormones, and neurotransmitters, all of which are integral components of your nervous system. It's especially beneficial in healing and protecting the nerves in your eyes, especially for individuals with diabetes. Sources of zinc include oysters, seaweed, crab meat, liver, beef, and pumpkin seeds. Alternatively, you may opt for a daily supplement of 30 mg of zinc chelate. Zinc is instrumental in stabilizing your blood sugars and preventing further damage to your nerves. 7. Vitamin B12, methylcobalamin. Last but not least, we have the all-important vitamin B12. A deficiency in vitamin B12 is a common occurrence, particularly among the elderly or those adhering to a plant-based diet, such as vegans or vegetarians. However, B12 is absolutely vital for your nerves, as it plays a key role in the construction of their protective outer coating, myelin sheath. You can source vitamin B12 from shellfish, seafood, red meats, eggs, and algae. Incorporating more of this vitamin into your diet assists in the creation of red blood cells that nourish and repair your nerves. If you prefer, you may take up to 1,800 milligrams of B12 methylcobalamin daily to expedite nerve regeneration. Ensure that you opt for methylcobalamin and not cyanocobalamin, as the latter can have toxic side effects. As you can see, there's a plethora of potent nutrients and vitamins at your disposal, which you can use to heal and repair your nerves. Restoring normal sensation to your toes, fingers, hands, feet, and other affected nerves in your body. Many of these nutrients are likely already present in the foods you consume regularly, So you can begin by increasing your intake of these, as we've discussed in today's video. Causes of nerve damage. It's crucial to understand what initially caused the nerve problems in order to prevent a recurrence in the future. One of the most common culprits behind nerve pain and damage is the consumption of too many AGEs in your diet. These are sticky proteins that accumulate on your nerves and impede the normal transmission of signals through them. Sources of AGEs include proteins, fats mixed with sugar, in foods such as BBQ-coated meats, ice cream, pizza, donuts, flavored yogurt, and fast foods. The second most prevalent cause of nerve damage is high blood sugars resulting from diabetes or prediabetes. Excessive sugar in the blood leads to damage to the blood vessels that supply your nerves. This results in the breakdown of the protective coating of the nerves, causing them to malfunction, leading to symptoms like numbness, tingling, and burning sensations. Lifestyle. Tips to repair nerves. Correcting your diet. Armed with knowledge about the primary causes of neuropathy and the essential nutrients needed for nerve healing. Let's delve into some straightforward lifestyle modifications you can make to maintain nerve health going forward. Refrain from consuming inflammatory vegetable oils such as margarine, soy, corn, canola, safflower, and processed olive oil. These oils contribute to inflammation and damage to your nerves and blood vessels. Make a point of including mixed seafood in your diet at least twice per week. This should encompass oily fish, sea vegetables like nori and kelp, and shellfish such as mussels and clams. These foods are abundant in omega-3s, which are known to facilitate the healing of nerve and brain tissue. Consider practicing intermittent fasting by consuming all of your daily calories within a 4-hour window and fasting for the remaining 20 hours. This process, known as autophagy, allows your body to cleanse itself of the sticky proteins, AGEs, that might be harming your nerves. Fasting also plays a role in regulating blood sugar levels. Engage in at least 20 minutes of exercise twice a week. This practice enhances blood flow to the peripheral nerves in your hands and feet, aiding in their repair. Regularly indulge in hot baths with Epsom salts to alleviate nerve pain. The warmth from the bath increases blood circulation for quick relief. Adding essential oils like lavender to your bath water can also help to reduce anxiety by soothing the nervous system. By adhering to these 5 key steps and incorporating more of the nutrients discussed in this video, you can significantly expedite the healing and repair of nerve damage in your body. For further insights into foods and remedies that bolster your nervous system, stay tuned. Thank you so much for watching my video today. As always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness.